Gracias.
Gracias!
Gracias.
Gracias!
Muchas gracias, OPS. Your continual and generous support has been crucial in ensuring our ability to fulfill two very important roles. First and foremost, providing a warm and welcoming space for 55 local impoverished students. Through education, recreation and welfare programs, we encourage each child to reach their full potential. Secondly, offering meaningful and enriching international volunteer placements, individually tailored to match volunteer skills and knowledge with our students' needs, maximising volunteer satisfaction and, of course, student success. OPS funding paid for rent of the school building, electricity, gas and water bills. We've had an overwhelming demand from students for greater internet access, as many of them often require the internet to complete their homework and assignments. Thanks to OPS, we now have Wi-Fi internet access for all 3 student computers. We needed to make sure that our school was secure. Using OPS funding, we increased school security by replacing our old wooden front door with a newer glass metal model and installed metal bars on outside windows. Mariella is our locally employed primary school teacher. She is invaluable to the success of our program. Using OPS funding, we paid for her monthly salary. We place great emphasis on teaching our students the importance of being hygienic. OPS funded the purchase of many hygienic materials, including soap, toilet paper, toothbrushes, cleaning cloths, and mops. Most schools here require students to wear a uniform. Often our students' families cannot afford to buy these, and so we used OPS funding to pay for uniforms and shoes for 20 students. We've got big plans for 2014 and require your continuous generous support to pay for basic necessities such as rent, electricity, water and gas for the school. We also want to continue offering our students easy access to computers and the internet so they can complete their homework tasks. Our support for our students doesn't stop when they graduated from school. We have 3 school graduates that need help paying for tertiary education tuition fees. One of these graduates is Willie, who has been integral in the rollout of our nutrition project and is studying to be a chef at a local technical college. With OPS funding, we want to provide 3 tertiary scholarships for students such as Willie. We understand the importance of aiming to become more financially independent and sustainable. One of our key revenue raisers is providing reputable, quality volunteer placements. Our website is often the first port of call for interested volunteers, and we want to spend more time and funding on ensuring we make a good first impression. We've achieved a great deal with OPS funding, but there is much more for us to do, and with your ongoing, generous support, we will continue to build bigger and brighter futures for our students.